The 2025 GMC Savana 3500 is a robust and reliable full-size van designed for businesses, fleet owners, and large passenger transport needs. Its exterior maintains a classic, no-nonsense design, with wide swing-out passenger side doors that provide easy access for both people and cargo. The durable construction ensures longevity, while the solar ray light tinted glass helps reduce glare, making driving more comfortable in bright conditions. Inside, the Savana 3500 is all about versatility. Depending on the configuration, it can accommodate up to 15 passengers, making it an ideal choice for shuttle services, schools, or large families. The cabin is functional, with a well-organized dashboard that includes modern infotainment and connectivity features, ensuring drivers have access to essential navigation, communication, and entertainment options. The available cargo versions of the van provide ample space for hauling goods, making it a favorite among businesses that require large storage capacity. Performance is a strong point of the Savana 3500, offering two powerful engine options. The standard 4.3L V6 engine delivers 276 horsepower and 298 lb-ft of torque, providing sufficient power for everyday driving and moderate loads. For those who need more strength, the available 6.6L V8 engine cranks out an impressive 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque, making it capable of handling demanding jobs with ease. This power translates to a towing capacity of up to 9,600 pounds, allowing users to haul trailers, equipment, or additional cargo efficiently. Safety remains a priority, with advanced driver assistance features designed to protect passengers and cargo. Forward collision alert helps drivers avoid potential front-end collisions, while lane departure warning ensures the vehicle stays on course. Rear park assist makes maneuvering in tight spaces easier, adding an extra layer of confidence, especially for commercial drivers navigating urban environments. Another highlight of the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 is its customization potential. Whether it's used for passenger transport, cargo hauling, or specialized upfitting like wheelchair accessibility, the van offers numerous configurations to meet different needs. Businesses can equip the van with shelves, partitions, or refrigeration units, transforming it into a mobile workshop or delivery vehicle. Overall, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 continues to be a workhorse in the commercial vehicle segment. With its blend of power, versatility, and safety features, it remains a dependable choice for businesses and organizations that require a durable and capable van. Whether moving people or products, the Savana 3500 delivers the performance and practicality needed to get the job done.